Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Finding the perimeter of a region enclosed by two graphs is easier than you think. Let's solve this calculus problem together into 60 seconds. First, we find where the line y equals 3 intersects the parabola. Setting the equations equal gives us x values of -1 and 3. This defines our integration interval. The top boundary is a 4-unit horizontal segment. Next, find the parabola's arc length using the derivative of the quadratic function, which is 2x minus 2. Plug the derivative into the arc length formula. Adding the 4-unit top segment yields the total perimeter. This matches the expression in option D. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to watch signs. Trust the given information and check your steps.